We're having a duel.
Oh, we got a
Looker seer.
U5I handicap. He took a picture.
Who did? Sweet. Is that James Madison?
I'm just trying to get some information from you. What do you need? What's your name? What's your purpose? We the people. If I can help you, we the people. Okay? You guys get permits to be here today? Yes.
I'm Captain Awesome.
Alright, I'll make contact. So you want to identify yourself, sir? Yes, sir. What do you need? What's your name? What's your purpose? We the people. If I can help you, we the people. Okay? You guys get permits to be here today? Yes. I'm Captain Awesome. Alright, I'll make contact.
Good.
Deputy Hootie.
How you doing? I don't shake hands, germs and stuff. No, I got kids.
How you doing?
You really go. Elbow bump. You gotta call, bro. No, you came right up here. What's this all about? You're making me nervous. You're carrying a gun and you're circling me.
Yeah, so I was trying to talk to you.
Knock it off.
Okay, can you guys just get on the public right-of-way area instead of the private property where the property line is?
Where's the property line?
I don't know exactly. I haven't looked at the property appraiser, but
Yeah.
I would say...
What's your badge number? Rowdy the third. Rudy.
I would say the public right-of-way is probably about right here.
Yeah.
Well, this is
Is it
public sidewalk right here.
a
Isn't it?
GIS survey?
I'm gonna go look at the property appraiser website right now, but
Let's do that.
I just told you this is my guess right here. That's about where it is.
Well, you're enforcing a guess?
That's fine.
Yeah. No ill will, no ill intent. What's your name and badge number, sir?
It's Brown.
And what's your ID number? Your member number?
667.
17
667.
17667. Thank you for taking the question. How long have you been a deputy? How about him? You know?
A lot longer than me.
I figured it's not.
Well, you know, he just exercise. Last year, that's what. Especially now with all these terrorists and stuff like that.
It's got to be clearly.
It's very
It's got to be clearly marked though. The public doesn't know if this is public and this right here is not public.
well, nobody ever knows, right?
Yeah, but
Until
would
we
it-
come and let you
Right.
know.
But would a
Right.
terrorist like stick around and wait for you guys after they said they're gonna call the
Never
cops?
know. I mean, if you're filming at jail and you're filming at airport,
I'll give you this much. I'm a veteran, not a terrorist. I
Right.
swore an oath to the Constitution.
I'm not saying you are. I'm just saying because of the way terrorists act and stuff, and you know they film for like weak points and stuff like that to go and you know, a veteran you should know, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So you'd agree with me in our suspicion of what you guys are doing filming.
Well, I think
That's all.
tact is a
Oh, for
four-letter
sure.
word that has not been used at
Absolutely
all.
right.
Well, you're using it, but this guy just
Well, you know,
walked up
tried
to
to,
us
right?
and trying.
And you'll appreciate you guys for using tact too. Absolutely.
We like to operate that way.
Yeah. It's forever good.
Have you ever turned in another deputy? Have you ever?
Turned in for what?
Well, I'm just asking for anything.
There's an issue. Yeah, turned in, yeah.
Have you ever done it?
I've never seen anything that needed to be turned in.
Broward, you guys got body cam.
Yep.
Is yours running?
Well, of course.
Sweet.
Yeah.
What's the other guy's name? Did you get his name?
Rowdy?
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Hey, your spelling's as good as mine. I'm pretty sure I misspelled it too.
Right.
But again, mine's super easy. Everybody knows mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
Unless you put an E at the end, then it's all good.
adhere to your general orders and your policies and procedures by identifying yourself verbally,
I have no problem with that.
right? Why does he? That's why we're here. We're gonna keep scratching until we find out.
Scratching him?
Scratching evidence.
Oh, scratching evidence.
Yeah. I mean, no ill will, no ill intent.
Okay. You guys just filming just to
You got
what's
it?
going on? Yeah.
What's it say?
The computer dims down when I
Oh, I see. So the wall is right here.
So there's the property line there. To me, it's right where the median starts to base curve. So I would say, yeah, it's pretty close, like right here.
Oh, so they maintain the rest of this?
Yeah, that's within the property.
Okay.
All right, so as long as you're on the public right of way, don't interfere with any cars coming in and out. You guys are good, okay?
Will you give me your member ID number now, please?
What's that?
Can you give me your member ID number now, please?
Member ID number.
Your identification number, your badge number. Come on.
For BSO, what is
Don't
my
be
badge
too
number? Is 8347. I didn't know what you meant by member number.
Never been asked that before? All right.
8347. Thank you.
Yeah. We'll find out why you don't like the cameras. Stay safe, man. Don't let them corrupt you, bro.
Thanks.
He's so happy. He's so happy they're here. We didn't know what to do. They had cameras and everything.
Exactly. Oh my God. Ride the struggle bus, guys.
He's still taking pictures. Go back to back again. Let's go. Nice for free. $775 a day. Bye. Wait, bye.